Good morning and good afternoon, everyone. Before starting our report, I would like to wish greeting to all the people listening our report right now, especially to Ma'am Eman Daryl Concepcion. We are Group 4. So, we're discussing about Myanmar Police Forces. What is Myanmar? And I have some brief context about Myanmar. Myanmar is located at western portion of mainland Southeast Asia. In 1989, the country official English name. Ang pangalan po dati ng Myanmar ay ang Burma. The Union of Burma changed to Union of Myanmar. And Myanmar has a local language. Ang pangalan po ay ang Burmese language. Naypyidaw is the capital of Myanmar. At dati po, ang Myanmar ay may kind of government. So, ang kind of government po nila ay ang Parliamentary Republic, which is yung cabinet po ang gumagawa ng mga law, while ang parliament po ang nag-a-approve kung okay po ba o kung tama o yung ginawa po ng cabinet na paggawa nila ng law. May ginawa pong panibago noong 2008, new constitution and created a new form of government. Ito po yung tatlong branches na katulad sa atin Pilipinas. Ito po yung legislative, executive, and judicial. But, on February 1, 2021, Myanmar military took over the government in a coup. And anti-coup protests are ongoing as of 24 ng February 2021. Ang nagkaroon po ng martial law po dun sa Myanmar. At simula nun, maraming nagrarally, maraming nasaktan, maraming namatay, at nagkaroon ng pagbabago dahil doon. At marami ka makikitang tao na pro-protest nung mga araw na yon. At sa susunod po na pahina, pag-aaralan naman po natin ang logo ng Myanmar.
The national emblem of Myanmar consists of a cogwheel, a map of Myanmar, and ears of rice. The cogwheel symbolizes the industry, and the rice symbolizes agriculture. The red color signified courage, the white color represented purity, and the blue color stood for peace.
We're here in History Organization. Local police, who were also military reserve personnel, were established under the mayors and village headmen during the reign of Myanmar monarchs. Kung sa atin po dati, meron po tayong sultan, raja, dato. Yan po yung kind of government po natin bago po tayo sakupin ng Espanya. So, sa Myanmar naman, meron silang formed under the mayors and village headmen. And they were also the military reserve personnel. And when the Union of Myanmar became a British colony in 1885, the British policing system was established. So, ang Myanmar po pala ay under siya ng colonization ng British. The police force was referred to as the Burma Police at the time in 1964. Gaya nga po nung sabi ko kanina sa brief context po, ang pangalan po dati ng Myanmar ay Burma. And the Burma Police underwent a reorganization and was renamed the People Police Force on October 1st, 1995. The police force once again reorganized to become the Myanmar Police Force. Dahil po doon, nabago na po ang pangalan ng Burma at tinawag na po itong Myanmar Police Force.
The Myanmar Police Force has as its objective 1. Community peace and tranquility. They maintaining the peace of their community. 2. Prevalence of law and order. Their law should keep order. 3. Narcotic drug suppression. Organization of headquarters under the command of the General Staff Department. There is Drug Elimination Division A police colonel is the head of the division and under his command. Last, to carry out community welfare activity.
Vision. Together we keep this region safe. Mission. Preventing and commanding transnational crime through a greater nexus and creative policy and collaboration. Most of the country, their mission and vision is the safety and unity for their country.
Function. There are 5 functions ang meron sa Myanmar Police Forces. Una po dyan, prevention of crime. Ipe-prevent po ang mga criminal acts na nangyayari sa Myanmar. Pangalawa, detection and proceeding of crime, pagtuklas at paglitis ng krimen. At pangatlo, maintenance of public order, pagpapanatili ng kaayusan sa publiko upang maging masagana at maging maayos ang pamamalakad sa Myanmar. At public security, kaligtasan ng publiko. At ito nga po ang pinaka dapat gawin ng mga Myanmar Police Forces, ang kapakanan ng publiko, ang community. At ang panlima, drug enforcement, pagkukulong o paghuhuli sa mga taong nasa paloob nitong mga nag-a-addict, ganyan, mga nagtitake ng mga drugs, dapat mahuli ang mga ganyan.
So, dito sa headquarters, hidden siya ng Director General. Since siya nga ang head, meron siyang under, which is ang Deputy Director na may ranggong Police Brigadier General, and siya yung magtitake ng responsibility pagdating sa pagkocommand, control and monitor sa lahat ng department ng Myanmar Police Force. The States and Division Police Forces, these are 14 states and divisional police forces and 3 additional states police forces, and lahat ng to commanded sila ng police colonels, but jurisdiction are divided according to civil administration. Ano nga bang civil administration? Refers to the system and structures that are responsible for governing and managing the territory or region. Dito nga, yung states and divisional forces consists of 4 components, which is police of the commander of the states and divisional police forces. Pangalawa, police of the commander of the district police forces. Yung pangatlo, police of the commander and township police forces, and yung pang-apat, police stations. District police forces, dito naman is nahati sa dalawa yung district police forces. Depende sa lugar and population. Yung una nga is yung A-class district police forces, and yung nagko-command dito is mga police lieutenant, colonels, while sa B-class naman is yung police majors. And sa township police forces naman ay may mga police captains and police station officers o mga police lieutenants.
Special departments. There is 4 departments in which the first 2 departments are headed by the police brigadier generals and the rest 2 are by police colonel. They are as follows: Criminal Investigation Department, Special Branch, Railways Police Force, and City Development Force. Una ay Criminal Investigation Department. Ito yung pagtuklas o pagsisiyasat ng mga mabibigat na krimen katulad ng homicide, fraud, at saka organization crime. Tsaka siya rin yung ginagamit para ma-prevent ang crime sa kanilang bansa. Special branch, hindi ko na siya babasahin lahat. Ipapaliwanag ko na mismo kung ano ibig sabihin ng special branch. Ang special branch, ito yung nagsasagawa ng proteksyon at seguridad sa kanilang bansa, na kung saan may kasunduan sila ng namumuno sa ibang bansa na kung sakaling ang dayon ay may nais na sirain ng kanilang seguridad sa kanilang estado, ay agad nila itong gagawa ng aksyon. Kaya siya tinawag na special branch ito, kasi ang mga nilalaman niya ay mga special na information. Sunod ay yung Railways Police Force. Hindi ko na siya babasahin lahat. Papaliwanag ko lang din kung ano yung pinaka-ibig sabihin nito. Railways Police Force, ito yung tumatalakay sa mga krimen o insidente ng mga tren o istasyon ng tren na kung saan sinisigurado nila ang kaligtasan at seguridad ng mga pasahero. At ang panghuli ay ang City Development of Police Force. Ang ibig sabihin nito ay ito yung nagpapanatili ng rules and regulation ng isang lungsod na itinakda upang mapanatili ang kaayusan at kapayapaan ng isang komunidad.
Training centers. Dito makikita nyo yung mga training centers na nangangasiwa sa kanila at kung sino yung mga nag-aasikaso sa kanila.
Reserve units. May dalawang uri ng reserve units. Ito yung highway patrol units, tsaka oil field security units. From the word highway, sa mga daanan o mga kalsada, ang highway patrol units ang mga bahala doon. At sa oil field security units naman, oil field, gases, chemicals, ang mga oil field security units ang bahala rin doon. Police Battalion's Command, it is commanded by a Police Brigadier General. The undermentioned duties and functions are carried out as follows. Hindi ko na siya babasahin lahat. Ipapaliwanag ko lang din mismo kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng Police Battalion's Command. Police, tatandaan nyo lang naman dito ay meron siyang 16 members sa police battalions and commanding officer, Myanmar Police Force. Ito yung sila yung nagpe-perform ng mga security o kapakanan ng mga tao sa bansa nila. Kumbaga, yung mga safetyness ng mga tao sa bansa nila. Sila yung bahala doon.
Ang susunod naman natin ay ang low and high rankings. Yung una ay Police Major General, pangalawa, Police Brigadier General, and yung pangatlo, Police Colonel. And yung pang-apat, Police Lieutenant Colonel, and Police Major, and Police Captain, and Police Lieutenant, and Police Sub-Lieutenant, Police Staff Sergeant, and Police Sergeant, and Police Corporal, and Police Lance Corporal.